Dear connections, today I will discuss about one important Power BI hack that will help you in your daily activities. So these videos will be more helpful to the Power BI beginners who have just now started their learning in Power BI or who have just joined a Power BI project in their organization. So let's jump into our Power BI. As you can see, I have imported a simple telecom domain dashboard. This dataset was provided by CodeBasics YouTube channel. So yeah, as you can see, there are two KPI cuts and a slicer. So if you click on the slicer, as you can see, I can't see the eraser icon, and here also, I am not getting the select all option. I am getting only the options of dataset like the city names, but there should be a select all option. So how to get the select all option? To get the select all option, you need to select it here. You need to select the slicer. Then you need to go to format your visual option. Then slicer setting. Under slicer setting, there is an option called selection. As you can see from the previous, like the default option was single select. You need to off it. Whenever you will off it, you will see three options. The single select was the default option which was present from previous. After that you will see multi selection in checkboxes only when this command is used. And in the last option you can see the select all option. Like if you on this option, you will get the select all button in the drop down. So let's on it. So when I on it, now see the clear selection button came, and here also you got the select all option. So let's say it was Ahmedabad, so it is showing the Ahmedabad data. Now if I erase the icon, you can see the erase icon. If I erase the selection, it will by default make the all option. So I hope these videos will be helpful for all of you. Thank you for watching this video and practice it side by side. So yeah, let's wrap up. Thank you.